Just wanted to give you guys a quick video. The Ford is back home after its second trip to the repair shop, but this was for body work. So you've seen the last video, you know that all this was one big mess. Bumper was dented, that was pushed in, this was messed up a couple of things underneath too that the body shop had to replace. All in all, it was about $4,200. Insurance covered most of it, thankfully. So bumper's obviously been replaced, headlamp is new, fender's new, this was removed, cleaned, put back on. Door was paint matched. It probably looks like crap because it's been raining and it got dirt on it. You guys know how that goes. I guess there was some previous repair work that wasn't completely done right on this door, so they replaced a few clips, replaced a door release cable in here and the window regulator. I had to pay for a new window regulator, but you know how that goes. There was a few things underneath that was broken, mostly like mounting brackets and stuff for the fender. Give you guys a quick peek under the hood and we'll wrap it up. Yeah, no, freaking can't get trucks. But like I said, she's home. And I'm glad she's home. It's a good truck. That's for sure. Really good truck. But that's gonna do it for me. I hope you guys have a good night, week, weekend, whatever time it is, wherever you may happen to be. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.